In question 19, in this question, we have 4 similar setups. At a glance, they look pretty similar because there are just slight differences with whether there's ice present and the size of the containers in them. So in this question, we have similar beakers and glass dishes used for all the setups. F and H, these two contain equal amounts of ice, and containers in setup F and G are wider than those in E and H. For this question, we have to find the setup that can collect the least amount of water after 10 minutes. And what this question means is for us to find the setup where there is the slowest rate of evaporation. One of the cause of how we can collect the least amount of water. At the same time, it will also mean that there is the slowest rate of condensation. Just ROC, rate of condensation. And we find the option that has the slowest in these two processes. So if it's starting from evaporation first, we should find the setup where the water is colder. And this is the part that most students, they do make some mistakes because they're observing about what is most obvious about the size of the exposed surface area of water, size of container, as well as whether ice is present. They may lose out details that are written in numbers like 10 and 90. Some students, they assume that they are of the same temperature, but they are not. We should look for the one with the colder water, which is the one in setup F and setup G. So between these two, the next thing to look out for will be the size of the exposed surface area. Both may be cold. Setup E, its surface area is larger. It may be able to evaporate faster. But we find that in setup F, we have the presence of ice that can increase the rate of which can increase the rate of condensation. So setup F, in this setup, it will be able to collect more water than that in E. So the answer for this one should be setup E. Even though its surface area may be larger, we are not having any ice over here, so there is no faster rate of condensation as compared to setup F. So the answer should be option 1.